Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you guys another talk about my stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the notification, and subscribe to my and hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, hit the like button. Okay, so I bought 5 brand new DVDs, a CD, a knife case, and a knife. This is a knife case. I love it so much. It's really cool. Had a little design right here. It goes, you can open it. The next one that I got is another knife. This is number 13, I think. You open it from, again, I cannot open it. I can show you like that. I don't want to get in trouble for YouTube. So it goes like that. And it shuts. Then I got a CD to listen to in the car, a Demi Lovato one. Then I got Shaun of the Dead. I was so scared. I don't want to ever get to see this movie ever again, but I chose to get it. It's called Lights Out. I was super scared. It's been at least 7-8 months. 7-8 months. I still sleep with a light on because of that movie. I got Child's Play 3. The ones I do have right now is Child's Play 3, and number 7. I need 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. The next one is Truth or Dare. And finally, the last one, I have to get this on Blu-ray. It's called The Darkest Hour. It's called The Darkest Hour. I already seen this on Netflix. It's really good. I recommend you see this. It's really good. I'm not gonna. It's about 2 brothers, I think. They went to, I want to say, Rome or Germany. Anyway, aliens come down and destroy the whole place, and everyone has to go hide. So it's pretty good. This movie I love so much. I recommend this one. I'll see y'all in the next one.